Welcome back, everybody. So we are marching ever closer to Halloween. As bad of a pun as that is, I know. But here it is March, and Halloween is quickly coming. You know, some of those Halloween props start appearing in the stores in like late May, so it's only a couple of months away that we get to really start rolling again. But in fact, I've actually started buying some things online on my favorite place, Amazon.com, that are Halloween related, kind of, as I've told you in some recent videos. I may be thinking of doing a cinema theme. Well, at this point, it's not a maybe anymore. I'm going to be doing a haunted cinema in my garage. Last year, I did a haunted drive-in, and that was such a hit that I'm just going to kind of tweak it a little bit, do a haunted cinema. So I bought some things to get me started on that, and I can't wait to show them to you soon in a upcoming video. But I do like to start out the month with my patron shout out and a giveaway, so that's what this video is all about. And I wanted to give a special shout out to my very latest patron, who is Jared O'Lantern, and he runs a YouTube channel as well, which we'll take a look at in a moment, and also a very nice haunted attraction in California, a home attraction called the Dowdy Street Nightmare. Again, I wanted to give a shout out to the rest of my patrons. If you're not sure what patrons are, it's a site through patreon.com. There's links to it below. It's just a way for you to help support your favorite YouTubers. And if you're interested in helping provide that support, that generally goes toward, you know, these giveaways and so forth. But it always helps, as do your liking and commenting and sharing these videos as well. So thank you all of you for watching. But again, another special shout out to my patrons that are joining Jared O'Lantern this month, including Allison Waldron, Indiana Jones, Carla Perea, Craig Thomas, Brady Zone, Gareth Frewer, Prince Alarming 85, Rosemary Latham, Shannon Fredrickson, Sharon Thomas, Skull Crane Entertainment, Spooky Bev, Stephen Miles, Stephanie Schrutek, and Teara. So thank you all once again. I really appreciate all of your support. Again, if you're interested in joining my Fright Club, you can do so through the link below. But I also like to take a quick look at those patrons who have YouTube channels, because most of them are Halloween related, and I know we all want to see what they're up to. So let's go ahead and see what we can find. All right, so first up here is Jared O'Lantern's page. As I said, he is my newest patron, and his channel, it says here, here I will express my fondness of the greatest holiday, nay lifestyle there is, and that is Halloween. I totally agree with that. I may post other videos, probably music related, my other passion. I do prop reviews, prop builds, walkthroughs, and other things. Thank you for visiting. Oh, and happy haunting. I like that. So if we take a quick look at his videos, as you can see, it is very Halloween related, and he does a lot of fun, like he said, walkthroughs and so forth. In fact, I think his previous latest video was his Halloween walkthrough from 2019. So make sure you check that out, because it's pretty amazing. But he's also doing a giveaway, and I think it ends pretty soon. So let's see, 3 days ago, I think he gave 2 weeks for it. So you got a few days left to enter, but be sure to check out his giveaway as well, because we all like fun Halloween stuff, and he's giving away some fun Halloween stuff. But as you can see, he does things like, I guess, a Michael's Halloween walkthrough and haul, a half Halloween spooktacular, looking at Grandin Road and so forth, just so you get the gist of it. Very cool channel. I've actually been subscribed to him. He's probably one of the first YouTubers I subscribed to, so I've been following him for quite some time, and I think you should too. So next up we have Indiana Jones, who has been part of our channel for quite some time, so you're probably familiar with her stuff already, but she does lots of product reviews, DIYs, recipes, and so forth, as she typically tends to dress up in these fun and wacky characters. So be sure to check her out. Her latest videos include things like attending a 1950s Valentine's Day prom, promoting her Plaid FX flexible acrylic paint stuff. In fact, look, it's a giveaway. And some thrift store finds. You know, I do love my thrift store hauls. I haven't done one in a while, but I'm definitely going to try and get another one of those up soon. So that's Indiana Jones. We have Spooky Bev here as well, who won our last giveaway. In fact, she's won like 2 giveaways. In fact, here is one of her videos about that winning a giveaway. but she did a Halloween cruise a couple months ago back, but she has not uploaded any new content recently. Created Home with G and Created Home with Elf Creations is Gareth Frewer. He also does crafting for various holidays, especially Christmas, cards and so forth, but I thought this was really cute, an altered rabbit candle stand. So he does amazing crafts. Make sure you check him out. As well as Frady Zone, who joined us on Patreon, was that last month, I think? So she's also doing lots of fun Halloween crafts. And then we have Skull Crane Entertainment, who reviews a lot of props. In fact, let's just take a look at his About page. Animatronic demonstrations, haunt walkthroughs, store tours, setup videos, and much, much more. But the last couple of videos include some Halloween things, which I was very, interested to look at. But he is selling some animatronics too. I don't know if they're already sold. This video was a couple of weeks ago, but if you're looking for some Halloween animatronics, you might be able to find them there. And that does it for our patrons who have YouTube channels. So if you have a YouTube channel and want to join my Patreon team, I'd be more than happy to show off your YouTube channel as well. But now it is the time that we've all been waiting for. It is our fun giveaway. Now, the last several months in a row, it seems like I've been giving away boxes of Halloween stuff. I'm not going to do that this month. We're going to go back to trying something different because I saw this. It came out recently and it hits both of my passions, which you probably know are Clue and Halloween. Check this out. Alexa, ask Mrs. White.
What a mess. Let's tidy up. Take everybody's cards and shuffle them all together, then deal them out again. Ha! What fun.
Alexa, stop. So I haven't had a chance to play this yet, but I've gotten some details. That's how I knew how to check with Alexa. But this is a new... Alexa, stop. I didn't mean to talk to you. This is a new Clue game that came out recently, and it includes the ghost of Mrs. White. So it's kind of Halloween related, but definitely Clue related. And it coordinates with your Alexa app, or not app, but device, so that it will play Clue with you. And I've played around with it a few times, so it kind of has more of an announcement, like an introduction thing, but I've already played it once today, so it didn't do the introduction, but it'll play spooky music while you are playing the game, and then when you roll doubles, you can ask her, or say, ask Mrs. White, and it'll either hinder or help your investigation along the way, so it adds a fun element to the game to make it change up. And so, like I said, sometimes she'll help you. You'll be able to get cards from other players or so forth, or sometimes she'll just cause havoc and shuffle your cards and swap them and whatever. So I'm interested to see all that she does. I can't wait to play this game, but I was going to do this as my giveaway. I'm not only going to give away the Clue game, but in case you don't have an Alexa device, dang it.
Sorry, I don't know that one.
Okay, Alexa, stop. They're very touchy. I'm going to be giving away an Alexa Flex. Dang it. Stop. So if you don't have an Alexa, at least you'll be able to play this. And if you do, you will just have another one, because we have them in various rooms throughout the house. It's so convenient. We use them to control a lot of our devices, turn on lights, turn off lights. But now you can even do it to help you play Clue. So how are you going to win Clue? We're going to do a live giveaway like I like to do. We're going to do it in about a week. We'll do it next Sunday, the Ides of March. Beware, that's the 15th. So we'll do it on the 15th, probably 1 p.m. Eastern. I'll be doing a live video. You can join us in the chat room online, and it's a lot more fun. and you can join along. We'll do an elimination. Basically, I'll take a clue game, probably this one. We'll open it up and take a look at it for the first time together, including the ghost of Mrs. White. You can probably kind of see you get a special little ghost token, which is kind of cool. But might I say I'm very disappointed that they made Mrs. White a ghost, because that means she's dead, and that's just not acceptable to me. They've replaced her with Dr. Orchid, which I can't stand, but that's neither here nor there. We are talking about the giveaway. So how are you going to enter? To enter this month, what you need to do is go check out Jared O'Lantern's channel. There will be a link, of course, in the description here. Check out his videos. Make sure you comment on at least one of his videos, and then leave me a comment below on which video you did that, and that will get you entered into the drawing for the clue game, as well as a flex. One of those doesn't look like that. It's a little different. I don't have one to show you because I just thought, Tom thought I shouldn't just give away a game with one of these devices enabled or ability and not give away one of the devices. So we're going to do that too. But have I covered it all? I think so. Next Sunday, 1 p.m. live. Join us in the chat room. Answer the question. If you live out of the country, we'll see if this is available to your country. If not, of course, we'll possibly substitute an alternate prize. So everyone's welcome to join, but you know, if you're not somewhere where we can ship one of these directly from my favorite store, Amazon.com, we'll figure out something. But that'll do it for today. Thanks for watching, guys. Can't wait to start doing some more Halloween videos with you very soon. Till then, take care. Happy haunting.